Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn off background data usage on a Samsung Galaxy phone. Okay, let's get started. First of all, we can go to our settings, and after we have our settings application opened, we have to go to the app setting. You can scroll down until you find the app setting, this one. Click on this option, and you have to select the application you would like to turn the background data off, and I'm gonna go with my CapCut application, so we can click on the CapCut. Then here we can select the mobile data. Okay, and if you want to turn off the background data usage on your CapCut application, you just need to click on the toggle button. Okay, and now the background data usage is not allowed in this CapCut. And I guess that's how we can turn off background data usage on a Samsung Galaxy phone. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel. See you on the next video.